Hey, you did it. 7 days. That's a huge accomplishment. You showed up for yourself every single day, made tough choices, and pushed through discomfort. Most people quit before they even start, but you didn't. You committed to changing your life and building a healthier you. Take a deep breath and give yourself a pat on the back. You earned it. This wasn't just about a meal plan or workouts. It was about proving you have the power to change. For 7 days, you chose health, strength, and yourself. Think about who you were a week ago, and look at yourself now. Stronger, more resilient, and in control. This feeling of empowerment is the real victory. Don't downplay this achievement. In just a week, you've laid the foundation for a new life. Every healthy meal, every glass of water, every workout was a vote for the person you're becoming. This is the start of something incredible, and it began with your decision to try. Celebrate this win. Do something that makes you feel proud. This isn't just a diet you finished. It's a milestone on your path to a better life. You've proven you have the grit to succeed. Now let's build on that success. Let's keep the momentum going. Now that you've celebrated, let's get down to business. Collecting your real data. Don't rush to the scale. It's only one piece of the puzzle. True transformation is about more than a number. We'll measure progress in 5 ways: waist, energy, sleep, palate, and weight. Grab a tape measure and notebook. First, measure your waist at your belly button, no sucking in. Write it down. Next, rate your energy from 1 to 10. Compare it to day 1. Now, score your sleep quality. Are you falling asleep faster? Waking up less? Feeling more rested? Quality sleep is essential for a healthy metabolism. Think about your palate. Does fruit taste sweeter? Are you noticing real flavors again? Your taste buds are recalibrating. Now step on the scale, write the number down, and put it away. Remember, it's just one of 5 metrics. The scale doesn't define you. It's just data, nothing more. These numbers tell the real story of your progress. Why track all these things? Because the scale is a terrible boss. Weight can fluctuate for many reasons, and focusing on it can make you feel defeated. Losing inches off your waist means you're losing harmful fat, something the scale can't always show. Your energy is your body's report card. When you eat well, your energy soars. Steady energy means your metabolism is working for you. Improved sleep helps regulate hunger and stress hormones, creating the perfect environment for fat loss. Better sleep means you're healing from the inside out. Resetting your palate means you're breaking free from processed food cravings. Healthy eating becomes enjoyable, not a punishment. These 5 metrics, waist, energy, sleep, palate, and weight, give you a complete view of your health. They show a story of a body becoming healthier and stronger. That's the story that matters. Focus on the full picture, not just the scale. You've completed the reset and seen results. What's next? No, you don't have to eat like this forever. Now we shift to the 80-20 system, your blueprint for long-term success. 80% of the time, stick to the core principles. Eat clean, manage portions, move your body. This is your foundation. The other 20%, that's for life's moments. Birthday cake, pizza night, a glass of wine. It's not cheating, it's balance. The 80-20 system gives you freedom within structure. Enjoy life without derailing your progress, knowing you'll return to your foundation at the next meal. No guilt, no shame, just balance. One rule: always eat your protein first at every meal. Protein keeps you full, helps control portions, and boosts your metabolism. This simple habit makes a big difference. The 80-20 approach turns a 7-day reset into a lifetime of health. It's about consistency, not perfection. You now have the tools to make smart choices and still enjoy life. This isn't a diet, it's your new normal. This is how you keep your results for life. Here's the most important lesson. Your body is not your enemy. It's your partner working to keep you safe. Years of stress and poor habits made your body defensive, slowing your metabolism. This reset rebuilt trust. You gave your body what it needed, and it responded. Fat loss happens when your body feels safe and nourished, not panicked. Crash diets fail because they stress your body, causing rebound weight gain. You've broken that cycle. Now you're working with your body, not against it. You're creating an environment for lasting change. Reflect on your biggest non-scale victory this week. Better sleep, more energy, a smaller waist. Celebrate it and share it. You're on a new path now, and you're just getting started.